Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk in English.
Welcome back. We're really happy to have you here with us again.
Today we have another very useful topic for you.
Yes, today we are going to talk about how to talk about your day in English.
This is something you can use every single day.
Exactly. You can use it with friends, coworkers, or even in class.
So Sarah, let me ask you, how was your day today?
My day was quite busy, but good.
Busy but good is always nice. What did you do in the morning?
In the morning, I woke up at 7:30.
That's a good time.
Yes, then I made breakfast and had some tea.
That sounds relaxing.
It was. After that, I started working.
Did you work from home?
Yes, I worked from home today.
Nice. What kind of work did you do?
I answered emails and worked on a few tasks.
That sounds productive. What about you, Lucas? How was your day? My day was a bit long.
Oh, really? Why?
I had a lot of meetings.
Oh, meetings again.
Yes, and one of them was very long.
That can be tiring.
It really was.
What did you do after work?
After work, I went for a short walk.
That's a good way to relax.
Yes, it helped me feel better.
I like walking too.
Did anything interesting happen today?
Yes, something funny happened.
Oh, tell me.
During a meeting, my internet stopped working.
Oh, no.
Yes, I disappeared suddenly.
That happens sometimes.
When I came back, everyone was waiting for me.
That must have been awkward.
A little, but we all laughed.
That's a good story.
What about you? Any funny moments?
Yes, actually.
Let's hear it.
I sent an email to the wrong person.
Oh, no.
Yes, I realized it too late.
That's embarrassing.
Very embarrassing, but it's okay now.
Well, this is a great way to talk about your day.
Yes, just use simple sentences.
For example, I woke up, I worked, I went, I watched.
Exactly. Keep it simple and clear.
Now, let's look at some useful phrases.
Yes, these will help you speak more naturally.
Phrase 1. How was your day? This is a very common question.
Phrase 2, my day was busy. You can also say good, boring, or long.
Phrase 3. In the morning, I... Use this to start your story.
Phrase 4, after that, I... This helps you continue your story.
Phrase 5. In the evening, I... Use this for later in the day.
These phrases are simple but very powerful.
Try to use these phrases when you speak English.
Practice every day, even for a few minutes. If you're enjoying this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share it with your friends who are learning English.
Let's review quickly.
We talked about morning activities
Work and daily tasks,
and evening routines.
plus some funny moments.
Now, Lucas, do you have a bonus tip?
Yes, my tip is to say 3 sentences about your day in English.
That's a great idea.
For example, I worked, I ate, I watched TV.
Simple and effective. Well, everyone, that's the end of today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Comment day below if you are still watching.
And tell us about your day.
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you so much for listening.
Have a great day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye.